Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message on Instagram. So let's go into the Instagram. Then you have to click on here on the chat section, or you can just slide towards the right and you will get this. So basically, just click on here any of the chat. Just for example, if I want to reply, there are many more options, right? So I can just slide towards the left and you can see I will get this. So I can just write here anything and I can just reply to this specific message, right? So I can just write like this and just click on this send. And there is another option. For example, I want to reply to this specific messages, so I'll just click and hold, and here on the bottom left side corner you will get option of reply. So just click on reply, and here I can just click on like this and the message is sent, right? So this is pretty easy guys to reply a specific message on Instagram. And if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.